VMware Tanzu for platform operators simplifies and secures the container lifecycle to speed the delivery of modern apps. With Tanzu for platform operators, you can stand up a platform that will automatically build a stream of compliant containers, secure your software supply chain, and manage containers across clouds. Hi, I'm Simon Momba with VMware, here to introduce a new lab, VMware Tanzu for platform operators. In this lab, you will explore the essentials of delivering applications at scale using Tanzu platform operators. We begin with an overview of Tanzu portfolio from an operator perspective. Think about the challenges addressed, the capabilities and the components of those operators. Then work with Tanzu mission control policies in a live cloud environment. In the final module, we'll provide an overview of the Tanzu service mesh and the use cases it addresses in today's modern application deployment landscapes. In this lab, you are provided an account to access the Tanzu Mission Control Cloud service. You'll log in as a platform administrator. The account is valid until you end the lab. From the Launchpad, you can start using Tanzu Mission Control Journey. Check out VMware's Kube Academy, where you can learn Kubernetes from the experts and for free. In the lab, you'll work with a pre-created cluster group and attach a cluster. Use workspaces, namespaces, and spend time with the command line interface to execute common commands that manage the service. We'll also introduce Tanzu Observability by Wavefront. This service ingests, analyzes, and visualizes data from all the application delivery phases. It can be fully integrated with Tanzu services with an out-of-the-box integration. You can take this lab now by visiting hul.vmware.com and searching for Tanzu or 2234-02. Also check out testdrive.vmware.com for a deeper dive on Tanzu Mission Control. Remember, all labs are free and available 24/7. There's nothing to install, and you can return and take the lab as often as you like. Learn more about Tanzu by searching vmware.com or just visit tanzu.vmware.com. Also check out pathfinder.vmware.com to find many VMware product experiences in one place so you can easily learn and evaluate VMware solutions for your organization. Thank you. Enjoy your lab.